Motivational speaker and HRD trainer, having trained more than 85,000 engineering management students and employees of various commercial organizations across 5 states of AP, Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and has been ranked as one of the best soft skills trainers in the industry. He is compassionate and believes in working with passion, commitment, and dedication is the key to his success. He inspired and motivated thousands of students and employees to lead a productive and effective cabinet secretary and won numerous awards such as Outstanding District Chairperson for 3 times, Best District Secretary and Mentor for Clubs, Best Youth Chairperson from District and multiple, and received International President Appreciation Certificate for 3 times. As a line, he considered number of seminars and helped thousands of students.
Hopefully, I will give you the best. Okay? Bye. Well, my dear friends, today's topic is interpersonal relationships. These are all very crucial universally, not only a particular segment. Any part of the world, our human resources are crucial across the world. They are not only meant for particular people. All professions, whether they are the recognized professions or unrecognized professions. You know, my dear friends, our profession is highly recognized by LIC of India. Well, my dear friends, నేను తెలుగు వాడిని, తెలుగు కూడా మాట్లాడతాను. Okay? Well, first let me thank our Rapolu Sudhakar Garu is my good friend for a last almost 20 years, and thank you very much for giving this wonderful opportunity, and all the respected friends from the respective companies. Well, my dear friends, our sales are the human relationships. Sales are nothing but human relationships. More you have the relationships, more you get the money. My dear friends, it's not that we need to make friendship with the view of getting something in return, not like that. But in the process, they are useful to us, wonderful. But what is the human relationship? Human relationship is the combination of 2 or more people, a relationship between the 2 or more people, and on the basis of solidarity, love, and affection, and business interactions. So, ఇద్దరు కంటే ఎక్కువ మంది బిజినెస్ ఇంట్రాక్షన్ కావచ్చు, లవ్ అండ్ ఎఫెక్షన్ కావచ్చు, ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ కావచ్చు, ఇవన్నీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటాం ఇక్కడ. Well, my dear, do I have the mic actually?
What of your place?
No, I want to go there. మనకి ఇవన్నీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. But next. Any mic? So, I need at least a collar mic or anything. The relationship is wonderful. మనిషి బతికినా చనిపోయినా నలుగురు కావాలండి. మనం నలుగురితో సంబంధం లేకుండా ఐసోలేటెడ్ వరల్డ్లో బతుకుతామంటే జరిగే పని కాదు. So we need the cooperation of all the people. Man is a social animal. We need the love and affection of each and everyone to survive in this world. We need the association. Well, particularly మన బిజినెస్ కి అసోసియేషన్ అనేది చాలా కావాలండి. Okay? But I'm not comfortable with this.
You to speak.
Dear friends, I find a wonderful person talking to Deputy Minister. Well, my dear friend, when you have 1 rupee, just 1 minute,
Yes,
I
sir.
have 1 rupee, I have 1 rupee, you have 1 rupee. When we exchange, how many rupees do you have?
2 rupees.
Only 1 rupee. One idea. You have 1 idea. When we exchange, how many ideas? That is the magic of the actually exchange of thoughts, my dear friends. So, my dear friends, whatever you want to do, you need to have the interest. ఇష్టంతో చేసేది కష్టంగా అనిపించదు, కష్టంతో చేసేది ఇష్టంగా అనిపించదు, ఇష్టపడి కష్టపడు. You need to be interested in whatever you are doing. You need to be committed. When you are committed, when you are passionate to do something, you will achieve like anything. My dear friends, goals are very crucial. All the CEOs, top 500 companies, Fortune 500 companies CEOs are sitting in the goal seminar every year. Why? They are very crucial.
ఏ స్వార్థం లేకుండా మనం నవ్వితే నవ్వుతూ, బాధపడితే బాధపడుతూ, అనుక్షణం మన గురించి ఆలోచించే వాళ్ళు తల్లిదండ్రులు మాత్రమే. వాళ్ళ గురించి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? We discuss about that wonderful relationship. Well, interest, you need to be committed whatever you want to be. Well, great qualifications. They achieve like anything because they are passionate to achieve something. Well, my dear friends, ప్రపంచంలో ఎవరైనా ఏం చేసినా, ఏ పని చేసినా దేనికోసం చేస్తారండి? మనీ. Say loudly. Money. My dear friends, money is everything. Money is nothing. మనకి more than 750 crores ఉన్నారు ప్రపంచ జనాభా. వాళ్ళు 1% మాత్రమే టాపర్స్. 5% are the successful people. Remaining 95% of the people are mediocres. ఏదో చేద్దాం, ఎవరో వస్తారని, ఏదో చేస్తారని ఎదురు చూసి మోసపోకుమా, నిజం మరిచి నిద్రపోకుమా అన్నారు శ్రీశ్రీ గారు. My dear friends, nothing comes just like that. If you want to achieve something in your life, what you need to do, your attitude is very important. Harvard University చేసిన రీసెర్చ్లో ఏం తేలిందంటే, సో భరత్ పరీక్ 8 crores in 2 agencies, wife and himself. Well, my dear friends, he invests 15 to 20 lakhs for the seminars, attending the seminars, improving the skills, knowledge, attitude. How much we are spending for our upgrading our knowledge? Yesterday's degree holder, today he does not update, tomorrow he becomes uneducated. Knowledge is a never-ending process, my dear friends. You keep on actually update yourself. Great readers are great leaders. Renewal team and collecting the money, don't feel happy for that. When you do not go for the renewal, my dear friends, you will lose the touch with your policy holder. Relationship is gone. When you go and say hello to him, my dear friends, he will give you the fresh business. You go and speak to him. Renewal collect చేసుకున్నాక మీరు you can speak to him, sir, you can give my actually name to so many people. You can recommend my name to so many people. ఏమైనా 5-10 people recommendation ఇవ్వగలుగుతారా? Especially clients, they will be highly satisfied when the claim is settled. When the claim is settled, he is very happy. ఆయన కంటికి కనిపించేది దేవుడు మీరే. My dear friends, ఆ టైంలో మీరు వెళ్ళి భగవంతుడైనా సరే చక్కగా పీస్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్తో బ్యాలెన్స్డ్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు రామదాస్ అంటూ ఉంటాడు, నన్ను ప్రోమని చెప్పవే సీతమ్మ తల్లి, రికమెండ్ చేయి, నన్ను చక్కగా చూసుకోమని, నా కోరికలను తీర్చమని రికమెండ్ చెయ్యమ్మా అని చెప్తూ ఉంటాడు. అలాగే మైండ్ ప్రశాంతంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు, హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏ కోరిక కోరినా తీరుస్తూ ఉంటారు. When you go to the customer, when he is satisfied, he will give you lot of references. With that differences, you will get the maximum business. Because you are meeting. Yeah, in case of the public sector undertakings, I know. People are not working in the way what we want. Lot of things are happening. There are so many people are reluctant in one organization. The concerned MD has become my fan. That's very crucial. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే keep on prospecting. Qualified prospects, very important. Qualified prospects. Qualified అంటే నేను ఆలోచిస్తానండి, బాగుంది ఇదేదో. ఇది క్వశ్చన్స్ వేస్తారు చూడండి, ఎప్పుడైతే పార్టీ మనల్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వేస్తారో దే ఆర్ క్వాలిఫైడ్. సరేనండి చూద్దామంటే దే ఆర్ నాట్ క్వాలిఫైడ్ ప్రాస్పెక్ట్స్. బట్ ఇట్స్ అ బిగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. ప్లానింగ్. My dear friends, planning is very crucial. Goals lo first important thing is the planning. How many people are planning systematically, sincerely? Ask yourself. You're planning. Yearly plan, half-yearly plan, quarterly plan, monthly plan. When you go and talk to the customer, presentation is very important. Depending upon the situation, you need to make a presentation. ఆయనకి ఎంత టైం ఉంది, ఆ టైంలో ఎంతవరకు మనకి చెప్పింది వినగలుగుతాడు, దాన్ని బట్టి మనం ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చేయాలి. శుభ్రంగా ఒక కాగితం పెట్టుకుని వెళ్ళి ఇదేంటి ఇలా అయితే ఇదని ఇలా రాసి ఎనీ బిసైడ్స్ ఎనీ డిఫికల్టీస్ and sacrifice. Be friend, life is echo. Whatever you give, you will get back. Be good listener. All the time listen to the people, my dear friends. If you listen properly, you can solve the problems. We are here to solve the problems of the people.